Hi, welcome to the demonstration of motion-based door opener with metal detection project. Now this is a very advanced system where the system actually senses the motion around it and it opens the door accordingly. So if there is a motion around the door, then it automatically opens for the person to enter through the door and it closes afterwards in some time when there is no motion detected. And also there is a metal detector. When a person passes over through the door, he goes through the metal detector which detects if any metal object the person is carrying. So it will give a buzzer to the authorities that the person entering the door is actually carrying some metal object. It may be a weapon, or so it will warn the authorities that the person should be checked. So let us see the demonstration. Now the system comprises of a PIR sensor which will actually sense the motion around the system, the door. Then there is a 8051 family microcontroller which takes the input from the sensor and accordingly controls the motion of the door. And we have behind the door there is this metal detector section. We have this metal detector ring, and below is the circuit that is detecting the metal, and this is the buzzer which will buzz whenever there is a metal detected. Then the system is powered up by a 12-volt transformer, and the metal detector part is powered by this battery. Now let us turn on the project and see how the project works. Now since there is no motion around the door, so the door is closed, and it will only open up when someone is there. Now since no one is in front of the door is closed. Whenever we will simulate a motion, then the door will open. Let us simulate a motion around the door. Since there was some motion, that's why the door opened. When the system opens the door, someone will pass through the door, and there is this metal detector ring. So he will have to pass through the ring so that if any metal object he is carrying, then the system will give an alert. So now let us simulate a person with a metal carrying with him, goes through the door. So here the person comes and passes through the metal, and we can see that it is giving a buzzing alarm. And when the person moves away and there is no motion around the sensor, the door will again close. So in this way, this project is very important for crucial places where security is a concern, like airports and shopping malls and various places where a person is not allowed to be carrying metal objects like sharp knives or something which might harm other people. So in that places, it will give a convenience. Whenever a person coming, the door will automatically open, and the metal detector will detect if the person is carrying any metal objects that might be of concern to the authorities. So this is how the project works. Thank you.